So up until now, what we've been usually been doing is putting all of our URLs and our urls.py file in the project, as opposed to in an app specific URLs file. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to create another urls.py file inside of the accounts app. And what we're going to do is we're pretty much just going to move all of the accounts related URLs into this accounts URLs file. And this will allow us to keep all of our account specific code inside of our accounts app, which means that we don't have to, which means that we can then just import all of those URLs in one go inside the Django auth urls.py file. So I'm going to do the same here. I'm going to do from django.urls.conf import URL. And then after that, I'm just going to from accounts.views import, and I'm just going to import all of the views. And what I can do is I can actually just copy this from the urls.py file inside of the Django auth directory. So I'm going to paste those in there. And then I'm also going to import the URLs the reset URLs. Once that's done, then I can just create a URLs patterns list. And I can actually pretty much just copy all of the URLs that we've created here. And I can pretty much just paste them into, I'll get rid of this import here. And then I can just paste those in to our new urls.py file. And I'll just create a new list called URL patterns. And I'll paste those in. And what I want to do is I want to get rid of the accounts on each URL. So accounts / can be completely removed. And what we can do is we can actually put that inside of our account or Django auth urls.py file. First though, let's import the password reset URLs. So I'm going to say password reset / and then our dollar symbol. And I'm going to include URL underscore reset URLs. And I then need to import include from the same place as I'm importing the URL from. So I can go ahead and save that then. Now, once this has been complete, all of these URLs here will be appended to the URL. So password reset / complete, password reset / done. They all get appended to the URL that was created where they were included. So if I go ahead and do from inside of our Django auth urls.py file, I can say from accounts import URLs as accounts URLs, because every app will have a URLs file, so we need to say as accounts URLs so we can specify which accounts or which URLs they are, because they will always be overwritten if we were to import URLs from a different app. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to create a new URL. It's just going to be accounts. And then I'm going to just include the accounts URLs. And I still need to import the index file or the index view. So we'll do that now. So from accounts dot I've gone wrong there. It should be accounts.views import index. So now I'm going to run the server, And ooh, I seem to have gotten some errors here. Okay, so this should be django.conf.urls. Let me think I might need to do that in my URL reset file as well. I was going to say from accounts, import URL reset as well. And yeah, I need to do django.conf.urls. So it's django.conf.urls as opposed to django.urls.conf. Okay, and I still have another error here. Include URL reset. What has gone wrong? Okay. I forgot to put in the view here. So that should be password reset in our on line 6. And we have another issue here with the pattern that I've used for the password reset confirm URL. So let's fix that now. Should be okay, I had an extra bracket in there. And okay, so what we want to do is we want to move the dollar signs from the end of our URLs where we're importing. So if we're importing, then we'll just remove the dollar symbols just to make sure we don't cause any unnecessary problems. So once we've done that, then we can go ahead and we can run the application. So if I open the app now, we can see that it's now working. If I go to /accounts, okay, this gives me a 404, but it will show me a list of the URLs that I can use. So we can see that we have accounts, and then under the accounts namespace, we have log out and log in, register, profile, and password reset. So if I go to password reset now, then it should give me a Django admin page that has my email address. And if I wanted to, I can enter my email address here, and I would get an email. So let's take a look at sending this email in the, we'll take a look at it in the next video.